Welcome to eSoftTools. EML Duplicate Remover Software. Click here to add EML file or folders. Click here to choose folder having EML files. Click here to choose EML files. Multiple EML files selection allowed. Now, click here to choose the EML folders. Choose the folder having EML files. And click on OK button. Look at the selected EML folder path here. Click on Next button to proceed for scanning. All the EML folders are displayed here. Click on the folders to view the EML files preview. Select the folder checkboxes for which you need to remove duplicate EML files. Click on the Remove Duplicate EML option and go to the Duplicate Remover wizard. Choose this option, if you want to remove duplicate EML files within the folder. Choose this option if you want to remove duplicate EML files from all selected folders. Now choose the location where you want to save the resultant EML files. Select the predefined naming convention for resultant EML files. Apply filters if you need to filter emails and save them. Click on the Convert button to start removing the duplicate EML files. Thank you for watching online tutorial for how to remove duplicate EML files with eSoftTools EML Duplicate Remover Software.